AltaPointe Health Systems has one mission: to plan and facilitate a comprehensive behavioral healthcare system that promotes the wellness and recovery of people living with mental illness. We achieve our mission through the power of one smile, one gesture, one comment from any one of our hundreds of staff members who demonstrate exceptional customer service. AltaPointe is pleased to recognize these staff members through its AltaPraise program. Patients, their families, staff members, and vendors submitted nearly 400 AltaPraise cards this past year. And after a thorough selection process, 8 individuals were selected as the 2013 AltaPointe Stars of the Year. Now watch as each one hears the good news that they've been chosen as an AltaPointe Star.
Will you please join me in giving a great hand to Miss Teresa Graham.
Teresa Graham is a training and education specialist in the Performance Improvement Department. She trains new hires at their initial orientation and is one of the first people new AltaPointe staff members meet. She's also responsible for making sure all employees undergo annual training. Coworkers describe Teresa as dedicated and one who works tirelessly to understand the population we serve and then pass that knowledge along to others.
She does a very, very great job in making sure that all areas of this agency are covered and the new employee will have a better perspective about the agency they're coming to work for.
Next up, Adult Outpatient Services surprises one of its stars.
And one of them is in this room, so I want to take a moment to congratulate Renetta Poe.
Renetta Poe is a registered nurse who works in Adult Outpatient Services. She is praised time and again by the people she cares for and coworkers alike. With one smile, Renetta sets her patients at ease, treating each one with kindness and respect. Coworkers say Renetta displays an unmatched commitment to serving the people around her.
All of Renetta's patients love her. She's a great nurse, and she's a go-getter. I know I can always depend on her, and I wasn't surprised at all.
On to the Information Technology Department.
People appreciate what you do for them and stuff. Annually, what we do is we take the top 8 and we present them with an Alta Star, and this year you were one of the 8.
Yeah! John Keller, network technician, is one person always on the go, moving from one location to the next, making sure computers and programs are working like they should. AltaPraise cards poured in for John, thanking him for his kindness and considerate approach to those who aren't tech savvy. One particular story stands out because it had nothing to do with computers and proves his commitment to 5-star customer service.
He's always been there on top of everything, gets out of his schedule to help someone else. I think one of the praises he got was in the middle of a training, he called and said, "Hey, someone has a flat tire, who is it? And I'll fix it." And I think he deserves it.
We head across the bay to surprise another star.
You have been selected as one of the AltaPraise Stars of the Year.
Oh, wow.
So,
Really?
absolutely, you have. So
so
we're excited about you.
Kim Whitfield serves as the Utilization Review Specialist for East Point Hospital. She works behind the scenes to maximize the quality and cost efficiency of healthcare services provided to hospital patients. She is known for being one person who is always willing to go the extra mile. Her dedication to East Point Hospital and patient care often brings her into work early, and you'll find her staying late, too.
She deserves it more than anybody that I know in this facility. She is a wonderful part of the team. She always goes above and beyond, and she is incredibly knowledgeable about all of the patients on the unit.
CarePoint is where we find our next AltaPointe Star.
And that person is Michelle Dunson.
Michelle Dunson-Edens is a referral specialist praised by coworkers, patients, and outside agencies. Michelle is one link in the continuum of care that connects people in need to AltaPointe services or refers them to outside agencies. Those agencies say she is efficient, enthusiastic, and kind. One calls her the best in the state. Michelle is praised by her fellow coworkers for her good attitude and generous nature.
I think Michelle completely deserves this because of all the customer service skills that she has to use every day with people when they try to call and set up appointments to try to get into the hospital. I think she's an excellent example of a star.
Children's Outpatient Services surprises its star next.
That you're so good that you're our Alta Star.
Tina Williams is one woman with a big heart and even bigger job. Tina is an assessment specialist and case manager. Coworkers say she has one goal: to make life better for the children she serves. Tina works closely with the children and their families dealing with mental health issues. Parents praise her willingness to go the distance to make sure their needs are met.
So she is definitely my superhero, and I don't know how to describe Wonder Woman exactly. It's just to say thank you, Tina, for all that you've done for me and my Ethan, because our family's actually gotten healthy. Our family has gotten healed in many areas, and you've been a part of that.
AOP congratulates another star.
I want to congratulate Debbie Carmichael.
Debbie Carmichael is a therapist who works in the assessment center at Adult Outpatient Services. Co-workers describe Debbie as the voice of reason for AOP, who has a knack for detail. They say the time she takes assessing each patient, listening with care while taking detailed notes, her knowledge of patient histories, makes her one to rely on when charting the course.
I know that anytime we hire a new employee, a new therapist or anything, we always try to make sure that they sit in with Debbie so that they can learn from her. And she always has such great advice, and she's so patient. And I just love working with her. I know that she is a great asset to AltaPointe.
Our final star is found in the Environment of Care Department.
Done what? And you have been nominated as one of the, how many?
8
Alta Stars of the Year for AltaPointe.
That's a privilege for me.
Well, you've earned it.
Roylyn Cheney is always on the go. The facilities manager for both East Point and Bay Point hospitals, he really goes the distance to deliver 5-star customer service. Roylyn is praised for seeking out vendors that will help reduce costs to the hospitals and for providing support when emergencies occur. His fellow co-workers say he faces each challenge with a smile.
Roylyn is a great representative for our department. He does everything with a smile, and he does it without question. If something can't be done, he's going to tell you why it can't be done, but what we can do to meet your needs all in the same while maintaining the standards that we have to follow.
AltaPointe is proud of its 2013 Stars of the Year, who demonstrate how the power of one can change lives.